Wanna know how to create a new Python file? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So we have also created a video on how to install NetBeans, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've opened up NetBeans, right here you should be seeing this window. So on the top you should be seeing navigation bars, and now once you see navigation bars on the top left side you should be seeing file right here. Just simply select file, and once you selected file, on top you should be seeing new project. Just simply select it, and now once you select a new project, here you should be seeing Python or something like that. So it should be under any folder that is located right around here. So if it isn't there though, you can just simply enable it through plugins. So for that, just simply head towards tools and then select plugins. And once the plugin file opened up, here you can see installed. Just simply set installed, and you can just simply sort up for Python. And once Python is found, you can just simply check it and then enable the Python option, and that's it. After that is done, the folder should be available under new project. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.